was a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back
Hot soakers.
to the day.
So I'm jumping on here just really quick. I'm trying to make this fast. I've tried this like 17 times and I keep on having to redo it. So this is it. Okay, description of Three Forks Hot Springs. First and foremost, the water is between 93 and 97, which doesn't seem like it's very warm, but the only time you can really go there is in the summer and fall when it's super hot, and so it's perfect. It's just absolutely perfect. You'll see the beauty in it in this video. I'm going to give you a little bit of explanation on how to get there. So when you are traveling to Three Forks Hot Springs, if you go west from Jordan Valley, Oregon, about 16 miles, you will see a sign that says Three Forks Recreation Area. If you did not see a sign and Google's trying to take you a different way, don't follow them. I did it. It was a mistake. 3 hours out of my way. Had to go find gas. Long story short, don't do it. Follow the sign. After that, you have about 30 miles of gravel, and you will come to the top of a canyon. You will have to go down that canyon. It has switchbacks, and when you get down that canyon, it's about 3/4 of a mile to 1 mile upriver. It does fork, so when it forks, make sure you just keep on going upriver and you don't follow the other fork downriver. And you'll definitely see the hot spring. It's coming down the cliff. It's beautiful. You can't miss it. If you decide to drive there, you will want to definitely have a 4-wheel drive vehicle. High clearance, good tires, definitely a spare tire. Definitely a spare tire. The road has boulders, like big rocks everywhere. You have to like climb over them sometimes, and I just can't express it enough. Definitely worth it. You will see we did cross the river in my vehicle. It was a little scary, but when we left, I crossed it by myself and I did fine. So I wasn't so scared then. But I'm gonna quit rambling. I am going to let you watch this video and have a soak with me. So I will talk to you later. Until next time.
Hey, I've been dreaming about you. Every night I see you clear as day. It's just something about the way you make me feel. 'Cause I can't concentrate every time you're beside me. Yeah. It's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. Hey, I've been thinking about you and all the words that I wanna say. Next time that I see your pretty face, 'cause I can concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, spending my days with you. It's what
We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days.
So we are up at Three Forks Hot Springs, and a huge pile of people come rolling in, and come to find out they're pretty cool. They were concerned that we would not be okay with them running around naked. We were fine with that. And they are rafting the river. So yeah, we were going to go ahead and leave so they could have the space to themselves, but since they're our kind of people, we're going to stick around for the night.
We're running out of light. The time is changing day to night. Lines are fading out, and we're dancing in the park. Nothing's wrong with when I start, 'cause you look better in the dark. Oh, counting days, I made it through without someone like you. We're running out of light. The time is changing day to night, and you keep asking why. I'm out of control. Oh, my body and my soul don't wanna be whole. For you, I'm just unknown, and you're not that someone who will find my heart and bring peace to my mind. So move on, 'cause I will find the way on my own. Now life is happening, and I don't wanna miss a thing. Letting go is not a sin. Oh, counting days, I made it through without someone like you. We're running out of light. The time is changing day to night, and you keep asking why. I'm out of control. My body and my soul don't wanna be whole. For you, I'm just unknown, and you're not that someone who will find my heart and bring peace to my mind. So move on.